Y continuando con otro informe. He dicho, amigo Nambieuta, es mejor para crear algo completamente nuevo, tal lo que ha resaltado en el discurso del presidente de KLM la llegada del primer vuelo de biofuel de avión de compañía para las islas. Después de 95 años de existencia y 80 años de un partnership con Aruba, no tiene un mejor partner para hacer un viaje histórico aquí.
80 anos passava para o meu viaje KLM a aterrissar em Banos Isla e a começar com história com Aue, Aruba porta orgulhoso DJ.
Aruba and KLM go back a very long time. The Prime Minister mentioned some very important moments in our joint history, decisive moments I would say, KLM returning to Aruba. But this year KLM will be 95 years. And this year it will be 80 years ago that KLM for the first time touched down on this beautiful, happy island. And we're proud of it. And whoever ever visits my headquarters, come and visit my office. Because behind my desk, I am very proud to have the first brievenpost, the first letter that was sent by an airplane between Curaçao and Aruba by a snip in 1934, and I cherish this treasure of our joint history.
Depois de período cortico, que KLM não visita as islas, não bini back e a horta hope optimista para o futuro.
Because we are building up a stronger connection than ever before. It is getting stronger. It is really getting stronger. Let us be very optimistic here. Today we offer 5 direct flights to Aruba per week. And on a daily basis, we also offer many indirect connections. So 13 times a week, Aruba is connected. And I can tell you that the operation is going better and better. And this has something to do with the beautiful airplane just behind us, because the Airbus is a very efficient plane. And it is profitable again, after a long time of another situation. But it also says something about the tourism strengths of Aruba. Aruba is getting a better situation, is attracting better tourism, and is getting more and more in the picture of the Dutch population again. And I think that deserves a huge compliment. Thank you very much for everything you are doing.
KLM está en el momento en que a aerolínea más sostenible y quiere mantener el título aquí. Para razón aquí, Mesa mira Aruba como escogencia perfecto para el vuelo especial aquí.
It shows Aruba for a very good reason. Aruba, and may I also say Bonaire, are islands that aren't just very beautiful, but the people are proud of their island. And the people are proud of their future, and they want to make their island even better and preserve this beautiful nature and invest in sustainability. This is something that is making the headlines in Europe. And so this is the natural island where we want to contribute. With this project and with many, dear Prime Minister, many projects to come. And the European Commission is as enthusiastic as the Dutch government and KLM and the airport of Schiphol by the cooperation with Aruba.
KLM está sumamente contento con el logro aquí y está felicitado al pueblo de Aruba entero para ayudar a llegar a un momento así.
Ministro-presidente, apreciable Mike, KLM está hopi orgulloso para celebrar un momento especial aquí con señor Mike Eman y Aruba. Nostra sinti manera, nostra amigo. Pueblo de Aruba está está orgulloso, proactivo, pensando riba e futura, e un bon cuido para la naturaleza rico de la isla. Y pensei, no tiene mejor lugar que Aruba y Bonaire para hacer el vuelo aquí con biocombustible. Masha danki, pueblo de Aruba, masha danki, ministro-presidente Mike Eman. Danki.